Eid Mubarak, beauties! Hey, my loves, it's that wonderful time of the year again. The air is filled with joy and hearts are brimming with love. Eid is almost here and I couldn't be more excited to share this special moment with all of you. It's your girl, Nikki. Eid is almost here. Can you feel the excitement building up, the anticipation of gathering with loved ones, the joy of sharing delicious meals, and the thrill of dressing up in our finest attire? It's truly a magical time. It's such a special time, a time to reflect on our blessings and to be grateful for everything we have. The smiles, the laughter, the warmth of being surrounded by family and friends. These are the moments that make Eid unforgettable. We get to celebrate with family and friends, the bonds we share grow stronger and the memories we create last a lifetime. Whether it's a heartfelt hug or a shared joke, these interactions are the essence of Eid. And of course, rock amazing makeup looks. Makeup is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. It's a form of self-expression and a way to enhance our natural beauty. On Eid, we get to experiment with vibrant colors and dazzling styles. Eid is a time for joy. We get dressed up, we share delicious food, we celebrate our blessings. The festive outfits, the sumptuous feasts, and the joyous celebrations all come together to create an atmosphere of pure happiness. Makeup can make this day even more special. It's the finishing touch that completes our look and boosts our confidence. Whether you're going for a bold and dramatic look or something more subtle and elegant, makeup adds that extra sparkle to your Eid celebration. Are you ready to create a stunning Eid makeup look? I've got some amazing tips and tricks to help you shine. From flawless foundation to mesmerizing eyeshadow, we'll cover it all. So grab your makeup brushes and let's get creative. I'm here to help you shine. Let's get started. Together we'll make this Eid the most beautiful and memorable one yet. Stay tuned, beauties, and let's dive into the world of Eid makeup magic. Before we dive into makeup, let's talk skincare. Think of your skin as a canvas. You want it clean and smooth. This makes your makeup look flawless. Start with a gentle cleanser. This will remove any dirt or oil. Next, apply a moisturizer that's right for your skin type. This keeps your skin hydrated and plump. Remember, skincare is not just for special occasions, it's a daily ritual. Love your skin and it will love you back. Now that your skin is prepped, let's talk primer. Primer is like a magic potion. It creates a smooth base for your makeup. It helps your makeup last longer too. Apply a small amount of primer all over your face. You can use your fingers or a brush. Focus on areas where your makeup tends to fade. This could be your T-zone or under your eyes. See, your skin is ready for makeup magic. Section 4, Eyes That Sparkle, Eid Edition. Welcome to our special Eid Edition, where we celebrate the beauty and joy of this festive occasion with a dazzling eye makeup tutorial. It's time for the fun part, eye makeup. Eid is all about looking your best and feeling fabulous, and what better way to do that than with eye makeup that truly stands out. For Eid, we want our eyes to sparkle. Think of it as adding a touch of magic to your look, making your eyes the center of attention. Let's create a look that's both glamorous and easy to do. You don't need to be a professional makeup artist to achieve this. Just follow these simple steps. Start with a neutral eyeshadow all over your lid. This will act as a base and help the other colors pop. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone for the best results. Then, apply a shimmery shade to your crease. This will add depth and make your eyes look more dynamic. Don't be afraid to blend well to avoid any harsh lines. This adds dimension and sparkle. The shimmer catches the light beautifully, giving your eyes a radiant glow that's perfect for the festive season. Next, line your upper lash line with black eyeliner. This step defines your eyes and makes your lashes appear fuller. You can use a pencil, gel, or liquid liner depending on your preference. Wing it out for a more dramatic look. Don't forget mascara. A winged eyeliner adds a touch of elegance and drama, perfect for Eid celebrations. Apply 2 coats for long, luscious lashes. Mascara is essential for opening up your eyes and making them look bigger and brighter. You can even add some false lashes for extra drama. False lashes can take your look to the next level, giving you that glamorous, red carpet ready finish. And there you have it, a stunning eye makeup look that's perfect for Eid. Enjoy the festivities and let your eyes do the talking. Section 5, Flawless Face, Festive Vibe. In this section, we'll guide you through the steps to achieve a flawless face that's perfect for any festive occasion. Whether you're attending a holiday party, a family gathering, or just want to look your best, these tips will help you shine. Now let's create a flawless base. Start by gathering all your makeup tools and products. Having everything laid out and ready will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. This is crucial for achieving a natural look. Test a few shades on your jawline to find the best match. Remember, the right foundation should blend seamlessly with your skin. Apply it evenly all over your face. Start from the center and blend outwards. This technique ensures that the foundation is well distributed and looks natural. Don't forget to blend into your neck to avoid any harsh lines. You can use a sponge, a brush, or your fingers. Each method has its benefits. A sponge gives a dewy finish, a brush offers more coverage, and using your fingers can provide a natural, skin-like finish. Choose the method that works best for you. Next, conceal any blemishes or dark circles. This step is essential for a flawless look. Dab the concealer onto the areas you want to cover and blend it gently. Be careful not to rub, as this can remove the product. Use a concealer that's one shade lighter than your skin tone. This helps to brighten the under eye area and highlight certain features. When choosing a concealer, consider its texture and coverage to ensure it meets your needs. Blend it well for a seamless finish. Blending is key to achieving a natural look. Use gentle patting motions to blend the concealer into your foundation. This will help to avoid any harsh lines and create a smooth transition. To add warmth and definition, apply bronzer to your cheekbones, temples, and jawline. This step helps to sculpt your face and give it a sun-kissed glow. Use a light hand and build up the product gradually to avoid any harsh lines. Then apply blush to the apples of your cheeks. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks and apply the blush in a circular motion. This adds a healthy flush of color to your face and makes you look more vibrant and lively. This gives you a healthy, radiant glow. A well-applied blush can make a significant difference in your overall look. Finish off with a setting spray to lock in your makeup and ensure it lasts all day. Now you're ready to dazzle at any festive event. Section 6, Pout Perfection, Lip Love for Eid. No Eid makeup look is complete without a stunning lip color. For a classic look, go for a bold red or a deep berry. If you prefer a softer look, try a nude or pink lipstick. You can also add some gloss for extra shine. Outline your lips with a lip liner that matches your lipstick. This prevents your lipstick from bleeding and makes it last longer. Section 7, Shine Bright, Celebrate Eid. And that's it, you've created a stunning Eid makeup look. Don't forget to set your makeup with setting spray. This will help it last all day and night. Remember, makeup is about expressing yourself. Have fun with it. Try different colors, textures, and techniques. Most importantly, wear your makeup with confidence. When you feel good, you look good. Eid Mubarak, my loves. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful celebration.